In this video, I'm going to show the basics of how to do translate and rotate in Zoo Design Studio. So for translate and rotate, we're going to go up to this button right here, select translate, select your object in the scene, and notice that I enabled the grid just so we can see this movement when it happens. Select the objects, continue. I'll do 10 inches in the X direction, and let's go 3 inches in the Y direction and 0 in the Z. Confirm. And you'll watch as the part moves. It moved 10 in the X and then 3 in Y. For rotate, it's pretty much the same thing. I'll select rotate from the drop-down menu, select my object, continue. I'll do 90 degrees in roll, 0 in pitch, and 0 in yaw. And so now it's going to do the translate and then the rotate, since I did that in specific order. I'm going to show one more important caveat to translate and rotate when it comes to imported geometry. So in the previous example, that was made in that KCL file. That flange was made directly into that KCL file, so I was able to use translate and rotate no problem. When it comes to imported geometry, we have to do things a little bit differently. So for example, I have my imported geometry of flange, screw, and washer. And say I want to move this washer right here. When I hit translate, I need to select it in the feature tree. I can't select it the body. I have to select the feature tree, so we'll select washer, continue, and the mounting hole diameter is 3.5 inches, so I'll do 3.5 over 2 to move it by a radius of 3.5 over 2. I don't need to move it in the Y direction to get it to this hole specifically. And then in Z, it needs to be the base of the flange, which is 0.625 inches. If I confirm, and our washer has moved now. This is the exact same thing with rotate. If you're going to do rotate, you need to select the object in the feature tree, and then you'll be able to rotate it no problem.